Welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. So for how many days and I never do the videos, so I've been just like rest for a while. So because I did notice that if every day like I doing the upload, they like nobody watch, like nobody interested. Okay, so I'll be back now. So I will try to talk to discuss with you that I have a good news that the LAZADA affiliate program sent me an approval for being an affiliate marketer. So I'm so happy and I'm so glad for that they approved my application for being an affiliate marketer. So I'm doing now the marketing of the LAZADA. So I'm hoping that I can be a successful marketer in affiliate marketer in Lazada. So I'm so happy, and how it is, how you been to be a how you apply as an affiliate marketer. You have to do the example, you have a social media, like for example a YouTube channel. So you have to give how many your analytics, how many subscribers, which social media you have to market the product from them. So like for example Facebook, for example like Snapchat or Twitter or Instagram, you can market from them. So you have to, so I decided to be affiliate marketer because I have this all social media, especially I have a YouTube channel. So nowadays I have a good news for you. My YouTube channel is more subscribers and more on views. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribe my channel. So thanks for supporting me. Even I'm a new YouTuber, so I hope guys that you are keep on supporting my video, as keep on watching my videos. Then, and I'm hoping that I can be more successful for this platform that I've been. Okay, so I have new platform now, the affiliate marketer. Okay, so I did approve that, I did receive the approval for a few days ago in the affiliate program in Lazada. So I'm thanking to God. I'm thanking so much. I'm thanking for everyone, the Lazada, that they approved my application. So actually I applied for how many months already. So now only I approve. Only I received the approval affiliate program. So they already sent to me the product, everything from the data feed. So I started now doing that on my marketing business in the social media like Facebook, YouTube. Like for example, I buy something, then I can put my link there, so you can get the commission from them. Okay, thank you so much. Then I will be back again to doing the video. So please subscribe my channel, please support my channel, and please watching and become have more views. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I will show you how to apply in the become an affiliate program in the Lazada. Okay, so you must go to the affiliate. Okay, I take this one. Okay, here you log in. Oh, okay, you sign up here. If you want to sign up, okay, never mind, I show you from here. Okay, so you sign up. Okay, you registered. If you want to register, okay, you put the, okay, this one I make it smaller, so distracted. Okay, you have to create from here. Okay, so You just follow. Okay, sign up. Okay, you just here. So I go and direct my account. Like for example here. Like here for example. So already get someone click, 4 clicks I have, because just started, not really a lot much. So you can press from here like a bonus. They already, actually they have also from here, so you can take from here, you can get the link. Okay, you got link. Oh, then you can press and go to the social media or Facebook, or you can go to the, so I have already here for example this one. So you have this, you just, all the commissions here you can see. So this is the platform of the, this is the one of the affiliate program you cannot open if you are not a member. So you have to be a member first and you get the approval first. So if you don't have the approval, so you cannot open all these things. Okay, so okay, I have a data feed. My data feed was already approval by 2. So I already applied 2 times, so I download from here. I download this one because I already got it just now early on. Okay, I download this. Okay, okay, so we can hide from here. We go to the disk document. Okay, open. Oops, I lost. Okay, here. So you can press to the report. You can press here. I already have 2 from here. Okay, so you can find this place, product link. Okay, so you can press the performer, for example yours, and then you can sign up first here. Okay, so all these things here, they will ask your tax information also, if you are a taxpayer. So commission rate here, everything is, they will show you everything here. So you must give your bank information, then they can pay. If you want to pay something, then you have to put there. So here, like for example, this is the postbox. If you want to do the postbox URL, okay, this is the URL. Okay, I press here. I download the report. At least I can see what is going on. Okay, here. Okay, no, not this one. This is my, okay. sorry, a bit longer. So I will wait for a while. I want to open my CSV, all the product here. Very low. So here, so all these, the commission rate is here. For example, like this. So here, all 2%, 3%, if they can see at the web or application. Okay, so easy, and then you just can then generic also. If you want to get the link like this and then like that, the link. Okay, for example, this one, you can get the link, and then you can go to the, okay, for example, like this. You get the link from here. So this is the photo, for example. So you can get the link from here, copy. You can copy, and then you can download the photo that you want to post at the social media. Okay, so very easy. So per click, you can, you can check from here. Conversion report, you can check from here. And then here, product links, you can check how many of them they have to link, and then you get the commission. Okay, so you have to put your bank account here. So I'm going to make like a buyer. I am a buyer now here. If you want to buy something, for example, like this, and then you have to press, for example, you want to find the product. Okay, like this, for example, this one, they have a 40%, and then you can go through. Okay, they have a 40%. Okay, this photo, we have to take this photo. Okay, this one. Okay, you can example like this. Okay, you copy. Okay, then you go to the deep link, or you can go to decoder, encode. You have to encode first. For example, you copy paste from here. So here, okay, become like that. Okay, this is the decoder now. Okay, then very easy, you just go back again. So this is how I get from them in the Lazada. Okay, so this one I already show you guys. Thank you so much.